If your furoshiki is too small and you cannot make a large enough bow, Kakushi Tsutsumi is the style for your gift wrapping. Kakushi Tsutsumi actually hides the tiny bow.
Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and turn it diagonally. Place your item in the center. Take the corner close to you and pull it over the item. Do the same thing with the opposite corner. Check and see if you need to adjust the fabric on top. Make sure that the fabric covers the top surface of your item. Then take the two remaining corners and make a bow. Then pull up the fabric under the bow. This is the second corner you pulled over to cover the top surface. Now you have a wrapped item with a Kakushi Tsutsumi method.